Alright guys, while you come along, let me know if you hear me. My crypto legends. Bitcoin looking to break out this major resistance that we've been talking about in today's video. To viewers, while you come in guys, make sure to smash up the like button. We'll start off once we've got 10 viewers at least. What's up my crypto legends, how are you doing? Where am I? Emre, how are you doing? From Germany, hola hola. Yes, I am here. BTC boost, nice. Hi Andy. Hi Mary, how are you doing? Buenas tardes, Señor Molino. I was waiting for you at 4 p.m. Yes, 4 p.m. Central European time. It is 4 p.m. It is 5 o'clock here in Mallorca in Spain, but it's 4 p.m. Central European time. How are you guys doing? Yeah, good. Emre, how are you? Good, fine. Ethgang, I am fine, and you? I'm doing great, guys. As you can see, Bitcoin just about to break this major resistance that we were talking about in today's video. Okay, the $51,000. You know, we talked about this potential inverse head and shoulder formation right over here. Okay, we did manage to break out from it. All right, the measured move is all the way up here to the $44,000 range. But this breakout did not have much volume, so a little bit cautious. But guys, I do think Bitcoin has bottomed out here. You know, I've been posted this on my thumbnail. You know, I clearly see this as a double bottom, guys, right over here. Okay, and it is time to start pumping for Bitcoin. Let's see if some volume is going to start coming in here. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. But yeah, looking very, very bullish, guys. I'm super bullish. This is just a major correction, you know, because of the tweet of Elon Musk. You all know about that. Roland, hello. I'm doing well, man. Hank, how are you doing? TA King, soda, pop. Yeah, well, I try and keep it basic so you can understand it. Simple, easy. You're not going to see me with loads of, you know, with the Bollinger Bands, you know, MACD, and, you know, loads of EMAs crossing over and all of that. I like basic technical analysis, straight to the point, you know, support, resistance, some patterns, some breakouts. So keep it simple, guys, and then trading would be much easier. I sometimes like using RSI, the volume profile, as you can see where there's most of the volume traded, to see some different support and resistance areas. But that's it, guys. You're never going to see me with Bollinger Bands, and, you know, Ichimoku clouds and none of that, guys. Try and keep it simple. The more simple you keep your trading, the better. You're going to be more profitable. Trust me. Your TA is great. You're just as good or even better as the moon. Wow, thank you very much. I do follow the moon. I like his TA because he likes to keep it quite simple as well. I follow some other guys that you can't even see the candlesticks. You just see the charts full of indicators and you're like, come on, it's crazy. I like to zoom out to the 4-hourly chart, the daily chart, to see the trend, and then just do some short, you know, simple support and resistance, some patterns. You know, volume also is important for me. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Azak, hello Andy. Hi Azak. Azach, how are you? The Moon watches him from 40A. Yeah, well, I do get some comments from Carl from the Moon. Yeah, I like his TA as well. I follow him a lot, actually. How are you doing, Stefano, Eva, Cypher, you the best, Andy. Thank you very much, Cypher. Thank you very much. Really, what about Elliott Wave? Yeah, I sometimes use Emre. I sometimes like to use Elliott Wave because sometimes, you know, I've seen many times on the Bitcoin chart, you know, do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave and then an ABC correction. I've seen it many times. So I sometimes use Elliott Wave theory as well. This says it's possible to go up to 44K range. $44,000 because of Elliott Wave theory. It's all depending on how you see the wave, you know, depending on what time frame. But yeah, exactly. I guess what you're talking about is this being an ABC correction. So if I just get the ABC correction tool right over here, I guess you're talking about this being A, B, and a C correction before we start pumping to the upside. If you're referring to Elliott Wave theory, Emre. But I mean, it's just very hard as well because you look at this, so many pumps. How can you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave from here? If you go to the daily chart, you know, well, this is just a massive pump. Massive pump. Very hard. But yeah, another tool that I like using, you know, if I go to the 1 hourly chart, for example, if we take this as an ABC correction, like Emre is talking about, if I'm not wrong, there's the Fibonacci, it's the Fibonacci extension. Yeah, Fibonacci extension, because if you take this as a wave, then the correction, you know, and as you can see, usually the wave goes to the 100 as for an ABC correction, which would be this right over here. So this should take us to the $42,000 range if this is going to be an ABC correction. We could still come lower before we start pumping. But guys, I do think that this is going to be a double bottom scenario. You know, very hard to be bearish in with Bitcoin, guys. I am a Bitcoin bull. ADA is taking way too long to hit $2 where I want to close my long. Yes, exactly. I have still got my long position here for ADA. Okay, 190% in a profit, almost $1,700 in profit, and I've got it open. And yeah, I'm not closing this position until ADA goes to $2, which would be a 2,000 approximately a profit. So over 200% profit in this case. So yeah, I mean, ADA is taking a long time, but it will reach there, in my opinion. Yeah, the measured move from the technical analysis that we've been doing for ADA is $2. It's a little bit higher than $2, $2.05, $2.10, but I think $2 is a good number to take some profits there, Mary. Nice, BTC is going up now. Let's wait for the volume. Yeah, exactly. No volume at all. You know, we've got this on the 1 hourly chart. We can see this huge hammer candle, as you can see. So yeah, buying pressure right there. Huge rejection. They do not want the price of Bitcoin going below $46,000. I showed you also with a VPVR. There's most of the volume traded is ends at 46,000. Then from 46,000 to 42,000, we have a huge gap. Let me just quickly show you here. VPVR I like seeing also because you can see major support and resistance areas. Zooming out here on the 4 hourly chart. Okay, as you can see, right over here, where I have my yellow box, is where the volume suddenly ends, as you can see there. Okay, so this is like a cliff fall. Then suddenly no volume starts until $41,000, as you can see right here, guys. So yeah, let's hope that 46,000 is going to hold. We have bottomed out and we're going to go up from here. Unless you want the Bitcoin price to go lower, and then you can, you know, buy some cheaper Bitcoin, or depending if you are trading or if you're holding. Right, let me go through the comments, guys, because I want to read every single one of you, and especially if you want to bring some crypto, we'll be doing some technical analysis on it too. It's like a modern art from Pollock. What's that? Oh yes, Emre. Yes, exactly. Great analysis, man. I watch you every day. Irfan. Thank you very much. 4 hour. Exactly. Yes, Emre. Yeah, I thought you would say this as the ABC correction, right? If I'm correct, ABC correction. We could come a little bit lower for the ABC correction here. But who knows? Who knows? We might be doing double bottom, guys. We have to see some more price action. I'll be doing a video on some TA, see if we can find some trading opportunities, some scalping or some day trading. 15-minute chart here for Bitcoin. It looks like we want to break this major resistance, 51,000. We are having an attempt right now, no volume, so we've got to stay cautious. Got to stay cautious here, guys. As you can see, this Batman reversal here, double bottom. We did touch this point, the 51,000, a couple of times, and we managed to break above it nicely. So this is what we are trying to break right now, this resistance. Let's see if it's not going to be a fake out. We need to see some volume coming in. Guys, let me know if the voice is okay, the music is all right, if it's too loud, if it's not too, if you can't hear me. Andy, when you have millions of followers, remember me. Yes, I will, Mary, of course. Yes. First, I have to make the millions of dollars so I can show the community, you know, just make it simple trading, transparent, guys. You know, I'm not making, you know, hundreds of thousands yet with cryptocurrency. So not a cryptocurrency millionaire just yet. Not yet. We will get there. We will get there. I usually don't interact on social media. Really, you are only blogger with whom I interact a lot because I believe YouTube should boost you. Yeah, thank you very much, Mary. Thank you very much. I would just want to be transparent, show you TA. I am not always right, obviously, guys. You know, sometimes I'll come with a TA thinking the price is going to come all the way up here because this pattern says so. And yeah, sometimes it might turn over. That's why I usually like to say, you know, start getting profits at 70-80% of the target, guys. Because, for example, if we do see this as an ascending triangle, okay, we've got this resistance point, this resistance, okay, clear resistance, and we've got this uptrend, we've got buying pressure, okay. So let's discuss, this is an ascending triangle. So the measured move is getting the bottom all the way to the resistance, and from the breakout, this should take us to the $54,700 range. But I would be taking profits, you know, at 53,300, okay, more or less at about this area, because I know there is major resistance right over here, as you can see. So I like to take profits 70-80% of the target, okay, most of the profits. Not in the case of a swing trade like ADA. I do believe ADA, you know, I've been talking about ADA for a couple of weeks already from the huge ascending triangle. Whoop, let me just show you here. Yep, go to the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, we've been talking about this a long time, since ADA was here. I remember this breakout over here, I was saying, be careful, guys. There's no volume. A lot of people must have entered trades over here and got liquidated right over there, guys, depending on how much leverage. You could enter a trade here with a 3x, 4x leverage, and your liquidation price is down over here. I don't usually trade with over 10x leverage, guys. Very, very rarely. For a scalp, maybe I might use 20x. Very, very rarely though, guys. I do 2 trades a week, 3 trades. I like to choose my trades, winning trades. It's the only way to be successful. You cannot trade 5-6 times a day, guys. I've tried that and I've lost money. Best way is getting into really good trades, 2, 3, 4 times a week, all depending on what pattern and how sure you are about that trade. Right, Mary, I was with you. Hey, Zach, Andy, do you think ETH will make the 4,200 estimation? Well, let's take a look at Ethereum because we're already at 4,100. Wow, amazing. I wasn't looking at Ethereum. This was definitely a good chance to do a scalp because today, remember that I've been telling you 3,600 has got to be at the bottom, guys. This has to hold because on the VPVR, it's suddenly where we have some decent amount of volume. Let's just take the VPVR. This is one of my favorite tools, okay, to look at the volume and support and resistance areas. right? Okay, just zooming out here. And right, as you can see, this orange box, the 3,600, is when we start a wall of money, okay? This is money, you know, all of this, you need to think it's money, and it's going to be hard to break it, or hard to break the resistance or the support, or depending if the price is on top or below. So $3,600 on the VPVR, we can see that there's loads of money starting here. So it's going to be hard to break this. We might, you know, wick down to 3,500, but we should be getting a bounce. That's why this drop, okay, from here was so sharp as well, because we got this peak of volume, and suddenly once you break the $3,900 range, you know, we fell straight back down to 3,600 here, and we got a nice bounce actually right over there. This was when Elon Musk tweeted, you know, yeah, I'm not accepting Bitcoin anymore because of energy. How pathetic is that? To make an electric car is using, you know, loads of fossil fuels. You know, SpaceX, does he use renewable energies, solar panels for his rockets? I don't think so. Yeah, guys, look, I mean, Ethereum's already at 4,150. What technical analysis did we do on today's video? Today's video, I did talk about this bump and run scenario here on the 15-minute chart. Okay, this over here, kind of, and you know, I was counting this without the wick, okay, or maybe potentially this. It would be the same target, really. But yeah, guys, look, we're just about to meet the target here from this kind of bump and run scenario. We got this point here, you know, whoop, creating this downwards line, and then the huge drop, sideways action. Yes, we broke out of here. Now we need to hit the $4,200 range. We're just about, but guys, if you did take this trade, I think when I did the video, we were around over here. And yeah, I would be taking profits already. But anyway, depending on your liquidation price, how much leverage are you using? Are you willing to hold your trade for a couple of days if we have a reversal right now? Because you can enter a trade here and have your liquidation price at 3,200. If you're bullish enough, you can leave this position open for a couple of days. But yeah, we're just about to hit the 4,200, guys. So yeah, definitely already at 70% of the target. Also, we did talk about this, I think Carl from the Moon also, I saw him before on this channel, and this as an inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. You know, the left shoulder's a little bit too big, you know, almost like the head. But yes, you could arguably discuss this. Technical analysis is not perfect, guys. I like, when it's more choppy, I even enjoy it more. When it's too perfect, you need to, you know, thinking this pattern is so perfect that, you know, I'm very alarmed when that happens. The measured move here from this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern, though, is, you know, from the head to the neckline. Yeah, this is almost met also, guys. We're just about to hit the target here from this breakout. Okay, clear resistance there. Boom, boom. So yeah, guys, Ethereum. Who asked me? Azak or Azach? Andy, do you think Ethereum will make the 4,200 estimation? Yeah, well, we're just about there, just $50 away. Hank, hi Hank, how are you doing? On Coinbase, it has surpassed $2 already. Oh, Cardano has surpassed $2. Yeah, because I use the Binance. Yeah, Binance here on TradingView, and we just hit the $1.96 yesterday. I did think on actually taking some profits, you know. But I think Elon Musk was talking about on a tweet that Cardano uses something like 100 or 200 something less energy for transactions than Bitcoin or something like that. So I think that's why Cardano was actually pumping, and you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptos were dumping, because he mentioned something about Cardano and thinking that it's better than Bitcoin. And yeah, well, you know the power of Elon Musk on Twitter. I hope he says, something about Cardano now on Twitter, and you know, we might go to $4 by tomorrow. I was following you for a couple of days now. Eva Silvana, you are amazing. Everything you said comes out. I'm a new fan. Eva Silvana, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, everything. I try and be 70% of the times correct. You know, it's just basic technical analysis. We are in a bull run, so yeah, it's not too hard to be a genius in a bull run. Everything usually goes up, so I never short, guys. That's why when there's a bearish pattern or a 50-50% pattern, I usually say, right, I think it's going to be more bullish than bearish. So I'm 60% more, you know, confident that it's going to break to the upside than to the downside. And usually when I say, guys, if this pattern breaks to the downside, be careful. Don't short the market. You know, if you short, don't use too much leverage and get out of the position as soon as you get some profits, because yeah, I don't like shorting in the bull market, guys. It is not too hard. It's just basic technical analysis. We try to be right 70% of the times, 80%. Sometimes there is some weeks where I'm 80% correct of my technical analysis. But anyway, obviously things are not going to cut. Sometimes I'm going to be wrong, guys. Obviously, you know, if not, I would be a millionaire, and I'm not a crypto millionaire just yet. We are not a crypto millionaire yet, guys. Right, where am I? Trying to read through the comments. I'm a bit lost at the moment. Cosmos, Atom, Kaya, Surya. Let's take a look at Cosmos. Right. Cosmos blockchain. Yeah, I think this is it. Atom, right? Atom US dollar. Let's take a look at Atom on Binance. Yeah, okay, let's take a look at, wow, huge sideways action. Right, let's go to the daily chart. Obviously the trend is going to be, I'm going to go pretty quick on some TAs, guys, because I want to catch up with the people. I want to catch up with the comments. But I mean, yeah, this is looking really, really bullish. Okay, a lot of sideways action, so we can expect a leg up for Cosmos. Very bullish on Cosmos blockchain. As you can see, you know, we're having a similar consolidation phase as here. Had a leg up, sideways action. You know, guys, we are still in the bull market, so we can expect a leg up from here. Just for entertainment purposes, you know, let's just entertain like this has been a pennant right over here, and that we are creating another pennant here for Cosmos. All this sideways action is absolutely incredible. It's good, guys, because it's just consolidation, accumulation phase. Very likely that we are going to pump to the upside. But yeah, we can. Yeah, well, from this, you know, the measured move, we did meet the target here, which was just there. As you can see, we did stop exactly at the target from this symmetrical triangle. This was in September, October, November. So had a correction right over here. Now I've had this leg up. So we could arguably discuss this being like a pennant, a bull pennant or a bull flag. You know, I would get the measured move from this consolidation. This is months, guys, a month's pattern. But I like them. The bigger they are, the better for me, in my opinion. So if you're planning on doing a swing trade on Cosmos or buying just for accumulating, it is absolutely fine. That you get the retracement from here, which would be this consolidation, this pullback, leg up, you know, and you know, it's not too. I've got the logarithmic chart, guys. That's why this goes bigger and smaller. So it's not too much of an impulse here. But yeah, we should see $37 Cosmos probably in the next coming weeks. Let me just go to the automatic one. But yeah, if let's take a look at Cosmos here on the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, a lot of sideways action for Cosmos. I think a great accumulation phase, and now we're going to start pumping to the upside. Could we potentially see that? Yeah, or a huge round double bottom also, guys. Look how we got this resistance point over here, right? We've got huge round bottom here. Now we've got a spike there. Now we're just having a consolidation. It is very likely that we are going to come up from here for Cosmos. So we've got this round bottom, double bottom, just doing a little bit of sideways and correction here, and then pumping once we break this, guys. Yeah, you know, very, very likely that we are going to the $37 range approximately. This would be the impulsive move, or even higher, about $42. $40 to be conservative. Yeah, approximately. This could be also a cup and handle, maybe formation. I'm not too concerned about this cup and handle because the handle is a little bit higher than it has gone 50% of the, as you can see here. Usually the handle does 30%. You know, if we see this as the cup and this as the handle can't go 50% of the cup, okay? It can't pass 50%. So I would invalid this as a cup and handle, but potential big double bottom for Cosmos, okay? Bullish on Cosmos, sideways action accumulation, bull market isn't over, we are going up from here. Let's take a look at, well guys, I'm going to go a little bit quick here because I'm getting quite a lot of comments. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button, 21 likes, 51 viewers. Let me go quickly through here. I'm lost here with the comments. What do you think? Should I change most of my altcoins? For example, I have tons of ADA bought by 6 to 9 cent into BTC. Or, well, I think ADA might go to about $4-6 by July when smart contracts go live. So, I mean, ADA is one of those altcoins that will do pretty well. It might do a 2 or 3x though from here. It's not that much. But the same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin might do a 2x. Yeah, be lucky if we do a 3x, which would take us almost to $200,000. Sorry. So I mean, Bitcoin is king. You know, if you want to get some profits out of ADA or some other altcoins, this is what people usually do in the cryptocurrency space. You get your profits from crypto, from different altcoins, and you take them to Bitcoin, which is more solid, less volatile. Mostly into cash at the presumed end of the bull market. The latter gives me concern as it's not certain how the banks will survive the crisis. I know, yeah. I mean, it would be ideal how to find the top of the market, because then you would cash everything, you know, wait for the correction for the next year and the other year, and then buy up again. But guys, nobody knows where the top is. The top could have happened already for Bitcoin. I don't think so. It might be at 90,000, 150,000. I'm more in between $150,000 and $200,000. But it could go to $400,000, guys. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We don't have volume because the hourly just started. I think you mean, Henk, you mean on for Bitcoin, right? I think you're probably talking about Bitcoin here. Yeah, guys, but it's, look at this. No, hardly any volume here. Hardly any volume. And this could actually be the correction from this dump, okay? This has been a huge, whoops. This has been a huge dump right over here. This, and now we're just having the correction before we actually have, you know, the other dump. We need to see some volume kicking in right now. Max N, it's perfect. Worry why? Sí, todo bien, Andy. Andy, Gaby. Gaby, worry why? ¿Cómo estás? Everything is work right. Everything is, it's work right. Akin Boyejo. ETH mooning. Yes, ETH is mooning. ETH is, well, it's not mooning just yet, but it is having a great pump at the moment. Let's see if we can break the $4,200 range, which is major resistance. Okay, we've got this peak over here, and we've got over here and over here. We did wick a little bit above it. All this volatile move was from Elon Musk's tweet. Okay, so yeah, 4,200. Let's see if we can break it. You're the best. Thank you, Akin Boyejo. Thank you very much. How long have you been trading? I started trading in 2017, Soda Pop, and I got into the crypto space in mid 2018, just at the beginning of the bear market. Around about March of 2018, I started heavily accumulating Bitcoin, Ethereum, You know, I was reading all sorts of books of blockchain, Bitcoin, you know, the Bitcoin standard, and getting heavily into Bitcoin in 2018, which was a great year. 2018, 2019, I got in the bear market and I started putting a lot of money into crypto. So I got in at a good moment. Emre, did you begin trading with crypto or start with other markets? I started in 2017 with the traditional stock markets, DAX 30, which is the German stock market. I started doing day trading with DAX 30, with Ninja Trader brokerage, with the platform. So yeah, I started off about 1 year with DAX 30 day trading in the mornings, just when the markets were opening. And yeah, I suddenly got into crypto. That took me, you know, I was investing in shares also. So, you know, I like investing, you know, and then I thought I got into crypto. Somebody talked to me about crypto, and then I thought, right, is this a bubble? What is it? Is this going to be the future? Blockchain, Bitcoin? Start reading about it and got heavily into Bitcoin and crypto in 2018. So over 3 years now trading in crypto and doing all right, actually. Doing really well. Andy, what is your next swing or day trades? Good question, Mary. I am not sure what trade I'm going to do next for. I need to check out some different altcoins, so that's why I was looking to see if there was a good altcoin that you guys could suggest me. We could do some technical analysis and probably put a swing trade on Binance or on Bybit if it's there. So yeah, let me just go through the comments. I'm losing you guys. What do you think about the tweet from our friend Elon? Well, yes, guys, you can see the power, you know, how it influences, you know, just someone so important that has so many followers. You know, it's just, when it started with Dogecoin, it's a little bit pathetic in my opinion, but you know, Bitcoin is decentralized, and at the end of the day, Bitcoin will win, you know, and obviously Bitcoin is using a lot of renewable energies and will be using more renewable energies. So I think this tweet, guys, is not, everybody will think that, why did he tweet this when his, you know, SpaceX uses a huge amount of fossil fuels, you know, to make the Tesla electric cars. Guys, you know the deal. You know, it's just it's short-term volatility. He says something, market crashes, then we'll get, you know, the market will start pumping again. No worries. So, Emre, yeah, it's ridiculous. Can you look into Matic? Yes, I did look at Matic yesterday. I did do a video on Matic. I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago. Let's take a look at Matic here. Yeah, exactly. I did a video on Matic. Wow, we've had a massive pump all the way to $1.50. This is what I left here for Matic. Guys, I did see this as a bull flag, or if I remember, yesterday or 2 days ago, guys. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. I just took this as a bull flag, I think, or the channel as well. The measured move, you know, from here and from the breakout, you know, guys, look how we've met the target, even past the target. Let me just double check here, because yeah, there it is. I usually have it on my thumbnail. What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode we are, but yeah, talking about Matic, yeah. Now for Matic, so you know, or arguably this target would be for the channel. Okay, guys, you can trade on Binance. Your favorite 36 to be. Yeah, that was the prediction for Matic breaking from this channel. And yeah, Matic did pretty well actually. Look, we broke out from the resistance and sheesh, over the $1.40. Yeah. So yeah, if I didn't take this trade, guys, I didn't take it, but I would have taken profits around about the $1.33 approximately. I usually get out at 70-80% of the trade, because you know, sometimes we almost reach it and then suddenly it crashes. That's happened so many times. I've learned my lesson. I don't usually wait till 100%. I usually get at 80% of the trade I exit. Let me see, guys. Where am I? Can you look at Matic 2x? Very interesting, Andy. Thank you, Jane Wood. Personally, I think we are going to set a new all-time high for Ethereum this month, but I don't think we are going to surpass $5,000. Well, Henk, yes, it's very difficult to know if Ethereum will go that high. Where do you guys think the peak of the market for Bitcoin is, or end Ethereum? Will Ethereum surpass $100,000? Let me know in the comment, guys. Or will Ethereum go to $10,000? You know, I think it is a little bit too optimistic to think that Ethereum will hit $10,000. I think $8,000 would be more realistic, and even $5,000. I was thinking, you know, a few months back, Ethereum is going to reach in between $5,000 and $8,000 this bull run, and we're already almost there, guys. So yeah, but I do believe that we've still got some months still. Few months for this bull run to end, guys. So we could go to $10,000. Bitcoin could go to $200,000. Who knows? Let me know what price prediction, guys. What's your price prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure to smash up the like button, guys. Right, let's go, Jackie Word. Thank you. Let's smash the like button. Yes. Why am I? Yes. Smash up the like button, guys. Help the algorithm, help the channel. I'm bringing technical analysis every single day. You can see it. It is just basic technical analysis, a bit of volume profile, support, resistance, you know, trying to help out people. And I actually take the trades that I say, not all of them, but I do take, you know, a couple of trades a week of my technical analysis. Right, let's take a look. I set my Ethereum profit at 4,160. I am too afraid for 4,200. Yes, I know. Yes, well, you're doing good. Because 4,200 is going to be major resistance. We might not arrive there, and we might have a correction from here. So yeah, if you took this trade, okay, from this inverse shoulder and shoulder pattern, or this bump and run scenario, AZAC, you know, this is fine, you know, taking profits there is, you know, it's almost 90% of the target of the trade. So good target to take some profits. Yarum, Ada, yeah, Ada is doing good. Ada is doing good. I am not taking any profits until we arrive to $2. I am holding. The market might just turn over now, and yeah, we'll get liquidated. I don't think so, no. I think we're going to get nice support here from the top here. If I go to the 1 hourly chart here for 88, yeah, we did get a bounce already from this resistance, from this support, as you can see right there, from this symmetrical triangle. So measured move, we should be going to the $2. $2 to be conservative for 88. Make Coty. Let's take a look at Coty. Walking the road. Let's take a look at Coty. Coty US dollar. I think Coty is looking really. I think this is like a paying system. Is it cryptocurrency paying app? I'm not too sure about Coty. I'm not a project reviewer really. I do more technical analysis and trading, but I think Coty is like an app, a paying app. Let's take a look at the daily chart for Coty, and yeah, massive run, consolidation. You know, a lot of cryptos since January, since we started Bitcoin breaking all-time highs. You know, January and February, a lot of the cryptos, just like 80% of the cryptos, massive pump. So nice consolidation, sideways action. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, this is looking really bullish. This is looking already to start breaking some major resistance points. Okay, we can clearly see a double bottom right over here. This is a double Batman pattern. because it has the ears. You know, we've got this one and this one, this one and this one, double Batman. So yeah, this is looking really, really bullish. I think we will be. Is there major resistance right over here? Arguably discuss this. Yeah, I think we are going to start pumping and meeting all-time highs for Coty here. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart. I think Coty can be traded on Binance Futures. It's a long time since I haven't traded on Binance Futures actually. If you are interested, guys, and you haven't got a Binance account, make sure to check out the links in the description. You'll be helping out the channel. I'm gaining a small commission out of that. Yeah, as soon as we break this level over here, the 41 cents for Coty, I think we are going to, you know, start bouncing and coming to the upside. Coty's looking very, very bullish. It's like this sideways action right over here. You see, we had this peak, kind of double top scenario, nice round, and then breaking all-time highs and making another high. So the same scenario here, but longer, much longer. As you can see, we've done this high over here, sideways action, round. Okay, doing this kind of double bottom scenario over here as well. So yeah, definitely all-time highs for Coty in the coming weeks, guys, in my opinion. NKN, let's take a look at NKN as well. NKN, US dollar. Wow, this one had a really parabolic move. April. Wow. From April, 20 cents. And in, was it 5 days? In 5 days, in 7 days, it went from 20 cents all the way to $1.40. Wow, amazing. That's about it, 7-8x in just a few days. Yeah, just a lot of huge correction, obviously. Huge correction after this massive pump. We might see NKN doing a, you know, also a nice bottoming out right over here. And then start pumping to the upside. Yeah, this needed this correction, guys. When, you know, when a crypto goes this parabolic, not good sign. If I would have looked at NKN from here, I would have said, guys, be careful, because this is looking for a major correction. But we're already having the correction right over here. As you can see, this major support there. Okay, you can see the major support level at 45 cents. 45 cents major support. We hit it twice here, and it looks like we are hitting it here for the third time. In my opinion, we haven't entered the bull run, so this should be looking to have a great pump in the next coming weeks. But gotta be careful, guys, because what happens if this was the peak of the bull run? You know, this is very similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum in late 2017 and 2018. We had this, and then correction. Obviously, we would have had more pumps here, almost meeting all-time high. But then what happens is you go sideways, and then suddenly we can go even lower from here. But I think we're just having a huge double bottom here for NKN. Clearly a huge double bottom, right, and bottoming out here, ready to blast off to the upside, in my opinion, for NKN. Right, let's go through Doge to the moon. Yeah, Doge. I can't believe Elon Musk was tweeting something about Dogecoin. Well, I'm not sure now, but he was tweeting something about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin actually pumped something like 15% this morning because of his tweet. Let's take a look, guys. I'm just going through the comments. Right, Matic, Bitcoin, Bitcoin has an Adam and Eve double bottom at the 4 hourly and can confirm this with a 4 hourly close at $51,000. Adam and Eve on the 4 hourly chart. Let's take a look on the Adam and Eve on the 4 hourly chart. Adam and Eve. I cannot see Adam and Eve on the 4 hourly chart. Yeah. Who's this? Hank, Adam and Eve on the 4 hourly chart. Close at $51,000. Are you talking about, this is the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, if I go to the 1 hourly chart, or maybe the 15-minute chart, because I did mention this as a potential Adam and Eve. Are you saying this being the Adam and the Eve? Maybe. Musk hurt ADA with that stupid Doge announcement. Yes, he did. Johnny Freedom, welcome. Yes, he did actually. But ADA is doing just fine. ADA is just doing just fine. Okay. But yeah, I don't know why Elon Musk is, such a fan of Dogecoin, really. Do you think it is a good time to sell some Ethereum bought 2 years ago? Well, Jackie, I think Ethereum can reach in between $5,000 and $8,000 at the peak of this bull run. So this would be a good moment to sell some Ethereum if you wish, in between $5,000 and $8,000. So just as soon as it hits $5,500, you can sell some of your Ethereum. In my opinion, you can hold it long term. I see some crazy price predictions of $50,000 Ethereum, before 2030. But yeah, not in a long time. They say that everything's going to be built, not everything, but a lot of financial instruments are going to be built on the Ethereum blockchain in the near future. So Ethereum is going to be the gas. You use the gas, the Ethereum is the gas to move inside of the Ethereum blockchain. And who knows, banks might be working, and different financial instruments on top of the Ethereum blockchain. And if you need Ethereum to move those transactions, well, Ethereum can be valued, a lot. And so, yeah. But anyway, for this bull run, for this year, in between this year and next year, in between 5,000 and 8,000 is a good price to take some profits. Fernando Mancho, muy bueno. Gracias, Fernando. I think you are the best YouTuber. Can you do some .TA? It looks bullish. Let's take a look at DOT, guys. US dollar on Binance. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart. I have done some TA on DOT, seems like. This is what I got from DOT. It seems like I did a live stream on DOT. I haven't done DOT technical analysis myself, but this was here already. So I must have seen this as a pattern, like a bump and run pattern. Met the target here. What can we expect for DOT? Well, a lot of sideways action we can see. A lot of sideways action. This is just clearly accumulation. And what can we expect? What can we expect for DOT? Yeah, I mean the highs is here. We did do a double top right over here at $45. Clearly, we've got this top here and this top over here. So we came back down, and we can also see that we've got like a double bottom scenario. Okay, this would have been great if this high over here would be up here, because then we could eventually see, this huge double bottom right over here. But anyway, we could just, this is sideways action. DOT is an extremely bullish blockchain. So yeah, we could expect DOT going to the $60 range, all depending the measured move from this huge consolidation phase. We could discuss its, from this major support level, right over here. Clear support. There's no way the DOT price went below the $28. It tried multiple times, and eventually a lot of buying pressure, a lot of buying orders at the $28 range. So it is time to go to the upside. Measured move from this support all the way to this resistance point. We need Polkadot to break the $45. Once we reach here and break it to the upside, you know, we could discuss that the measured move is from this support level to the resistance, you know, and the measured move is all the way up to the $63 range. Okay, if we see this like a double bottom scenario. So yeah, Polkadot looking very, very bullish. I think in the next attempt it will be breaking this resistance point right over here at the $45. Target for ADA this season. Well, I think do you think Emre, are you talking about this end of the bull market, right? I think people are talking about a $10 ADA. I'm not sure if it will reach $10. I think it will reach in between $4 and $6 market peak. In my opinion, this is the conservative target. Yes, the bullish, the more aggressive target would be $10. I think ADA can reach $10. I remember ADA being at 2 cents last year, guys. So a lot of people must have bought, and will be taking profits once ADA, you know, hits $4 or $5. 50. Johnny Freedom, I took ADA profits at 196 right after the Elon tweet. Had a feeling I would trend down in the short term. Well, you did good, Johnny Freedom. You did good because, yeah, we almost hit the $2. I think we eventually will reach there, guys. ADA will hit the $2 in between today and tomorrow. And then we might have a huge correction. But yeah, that was good. 196 is $2, guys. So good job, Johnny, on getting those profits. Locking profits, you know, it's always good to lock profits. So Emre, not just your content, you are a nice guy. Thank you very much, Emre. Thank you very much. I bet you're a nice guy too. Right, let's check out. Right, I got loads of comments, guys. Should we book profits? Weekend is coming. You mean profits for ADA, right? Yeah, maybe for ADA. I wish I could. I might be taking profits for ADA, guys, all depending on the movement. But yeah, I mean, I'm in a swing trade, so my liquidation price is very, very far away, and I'll be adding to my position if I get close to my liquidation price. I don't think ADA is going to go to 80 cents, for example. But yeah, it is good. It would be good to take some profits, you know, because the weekend is here. The weekend is usually a little bit more bearish, you know, 60-70% of the times weekend is bearish, usually for crypto and for the traditional stock markets also. Let me see. Frank King, how long have you been into crypto? I've been into crypto since 2018, early 2018, just when the bear market was starting. I started with traditional stock markets in 2017, started with crypto in 2018. Amigo, what do you think of LTC? Should I move my LTC to some other coin? What do you recommend? Well, LTC, in my opinion, will reach $1,000, okay, in this bull run. This is my opinion. So holding the super aggressive target is about $3,000. I don't think we'll reach $3,000 for LTC, but $1,000, yes, which is already almost a 3x. It is about a 3x from its current price. So this is my opinion, obviously, guys. I do think Litecoin will hit $1,000 because Litecoin, you know, is being accepted in many different applications, MasterCard, you know, and different, you know, usually the first four is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are the main ones that are being accepted first in different places. So I'm bullish on LTC. $1,000 targets. Mauricio. Right, how crazy is Elon Musk effect? I respect this guy. Now I wonder, are these companies really his? Sounds impossible. He misses his authority. Everybody gets his true intention, I believe. Yes, I mean, I've seen some interviews of Elon Musk, and sometimes he's like, yeah. But yeah, I mean, he's a smart guy, and I think he's just having fun, which he shouldn't really, because a lot of people are invested in some different crypto assets, and he can make a mess, as you can see. But anyway, this is just short-term volatility. You can talk whatever you want. You're the most famous, the governments, and anybody. Bitcoin is decentralized, and the trend is going to the upside, guys. Unless there's a huge blackout, you know, all the electricity, internet all disappears, then it's bad for Bitcoin. But nobody can affect Bitcoin price for the long run, guys. Short term, yes, we can see it. Elon Musk tweets something, you know, it takes too much energy, I'm not accepting Bitcoin. Boom, we have a 10% correction or something like that. But it's fine in the short term, guys. Be careful with the volatility. If you're trading long term, bullish, guys. Bitcoin is going to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let me see. I don't want to miss any of the comments. Have you done any video outlining the foundation of TA you do, like lessons? No, I will be doing some basic technical analysis lessons on my channel. I will bring some 2 or 3 videos out, you know, of 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just showing basic technical analysis and patterns, so you can try and detect them and, you know, practice trading with a little bit amount of money, guys, so you can start locking some profits. Right, Efran Niafrad, what do you think about XRP? I never liked XRP. I have traded it before on Bybit and some other exchanges, but I'm not an XRP holder. I do not like XRP. It's not decentralized. I'm here for the decentralization, and XRP is not. So, but it will do well. It will do well in the bull market. It probably will go to $10 or something like that. But not bullish. Not one of my favorite cryptos at all. But it will do well. Matic, yeah, Matic is doing amazing. I've just talked about Matic, and Matic, you know, perfectly hit the target from an analysis that I did on yesterday's video, I think it was. And Matic is extremely bullish. It is actually a working scaling solution for Ethereum. So Matic is doing immensely well. I mean, look at this, guys. Matic is just going ballistic. And I remember looking at Matic in 2019. It was about 1 cent, 2 cent, guys. So yeah, it's done at a 200x already, almost a 200. Yeah, 150x. I remember in 2019 seeing Matic, you know, scaling solution for Ethereum, and because there wasn't so much people using Ethereum, it wasn't that bad. The fees weren't that bad. It did cost you $5, $10, maybe $2 sometimes, you know, but now the Ethereum blockchain is saturated, and Matic does have actually a working scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain. So that's why it's just going parabolic. It might go to $2, $3, $5. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I've seen price predictions of Matic all the way up to $10. If you would have bought at 1 cent, yeah, 1,000x. You put $1,000, you would have made $1 million. Unpredictable, guys. Unpredictable. Matic doing really well. Really well. I did yesterday analysis for Matic, and looking this as a bull flag or a downwards channel. The target was at the $1.40. Yeah, we've already gone to $1.50. This was on yesterday's video. Make sure to check it out. Matic, I was happy when Andy said that BTC can be down to $46,000, so I took my profit and buying in the dip. Yes, and make already profits. Thank you very much. Was this yesterday? Or I did say it could go to $46,000. Maybe I did say that $46,000 was going to hold nicely because of the VPVR. Most of the volume traded for Bitcoin is at the $46,000. A lot of people that bought at $46,000. A lot of billions. And if they don't sell, the price won't go below $46,000. Mary, prices of BTC and LTD are pumping above resistance at the moment. Please look at those potential entry point. Prices of BTC and LTD or LTC? Yeah, are you talking about Litecoin? I'm not sure if you're talking about Litecoin or... This is Litecoin, right? What is LTD? Is LTD crypto? LTD? I think you meant LTC, Mary, if I'm correct. Possible trade opportunity. Well, yes, but like we mentioned before at the beginning of the live, we did not break this resistance with a huge amount of volume. You could see this as an ascending triangle or an inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern like we mentioned before. And in today's video, we've got this left head and right shoulder. We've broken out from the neckline, as you can see, right over here. And the measured move is going to about the $44,000 range from the breakout. Yeah, 43 from this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. 43,000, 42,800 to be conservative. So we might have another leg up here for Bitcoin. Major resistance at the $43,500 range, like I mentioned before. We've got this support level right over here. We just wicked over there. So we will get some type of rejection at the 43,500. But this right over here is bullish. You know, we have got a double bottom scenario here. But no volume, guys. We're just hanging around here. This is not a clear breakout. It's not a clear breakout. We need to break out with some volume, come back down, and then break the high here. Then it's a confirmed breakout. That's how I do most of my trading, unless I'm really confident. Please look into Matic. Yes, I've been looking at Matic. I've just been looking at Matic. Deborah, right? Corey Lewis, what do you think about Link? I'm super bullish on Chainlink. Chainlink is my second largest position in my portfolio. Yeah, I've got a lot of Chainlink. I think Chainlink is about 35% of my portfolio. 35% of my portfolio is Chainlink. Really bullish on Chainlink. $150 target for this bull run for Chainlink. I'm not going to pull out the charts now for Chainlink because I just want to go through the comments, guys. I've only got another 10 minutes, so let me go quickly through the comments. Yeah, what do you think about AVAX and Coty? Yeah, bullish on Coty. I've just pulled out the charts, and AVAX. Let's just take a quick look at AVAX. I don't look at the project very much, but I know AVAX has got its own blockchain, right? So I can already see a lot of sideways action. Yeah, this is quite a bullish chart actually. We've had a massive pump to the upside and just sideways consolidation at the moment. I will look into AVAX actually because a very interesting project. And yeah, this is just sideways action, guys. Huge accumulation phase. It looks like that we are bottoming out around this area. Okay, clear bottom in my opinion. Major resistance right over here. So yeah, now we can see something clear here for AVAX. Major resistance point there. And consolidation right over here. Okay, we've got support level here. As you can see, double bottom right over here. Whoop, kind of failed again. Okay, so we could potentially see this more as a roundish, and then this spike double bottom. So we should be breaking out here very soon for AVAX. Emery, it does look bullish. Bottoming out, huge round bottom accumulation, ready to skyrocket in the next coming weeks. Did you talk about Polkadot yet? Yes, we just pulled out the charts for Polkadot. Looking bullish. I think it is the $45 that we need to break. If we break the $45, very likely we're going to push to the $60, $63 for Polkadot. We are kind of forming like a double bottom. Make profit in Solana. Great, Eva Silvana. I guess you're telling me that you made profit with Solana. Absolutely great. Just wondering, Mary, just wondering what made you so sure about ADA $2, because I have problems with trusting my own analysis. I always have doubts and take profits way too early. I always doubt. Yes, this happens. Trading is very, very emotional. Usually you do take profits sooner rather than later. I like to take profits at about 90-80% of the target, but ADA, for example, you know, a lot of bullish news for ADA. It has a huge army, and there's just going to be short-term volatility for ADA. Okay, the price can drop 40%, 50% even, but it comes straight back up. And you know, this is a clear. The bigger the pattern is, the more confident I am trading. Okay, scalping is very, very difficult. Scalping, because especially in the crypto market, because there's a huge amount of volatility. You know, the market will just wipe you out if you use too much leverage for scalping. You know, it's very, very hard. I hardly do scalping. I might do 3-4 scalps a month. Okay, I usually do swing trades, 2 or 3 swing trades a week approximately. I might do 1 swing trade. But what I'm confident about ADA is this, you know, since February all the way into May, this is a very, very bullish setup. Okay, ascending triangle. We did have a fake out here to the downside, clear fake out in my opinion. You know, there was a lot of bullish news coming out for ADA. Inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. We did talk about this. Sorry, making a really bad drawing here now. We did talk about this scenario, you know, in the channel before, and I was just saying, guys, we are going to break here. This is very, very likely we're going to break it. We are getting to the end here from this ascending triangle. Okay, this has just been a fake out. We haven't got much time. You know, the price is getting bought back up, and I was saying, you know, as soon as we break this resistance point, you know, the measured move from this, you know, from this huge buying pressure is all the way up here to $2, which is the measured move. It is a little bit more. It is a little bit more, but I'm staying conservative. $2 target like this from this breakout. You know, someone here in the chat saying he took profits at $1.96, which is great. It's just at the peak here for ADA. If I go to the 1 hourly chart, somebody took profits. I'm not sure this morning or yesterday. Was this was yesterday night. $1.96 is absolutely fine. That's $2. So I'm just super bullish on ADA, and my liquidation price is very far away. So I'm not worried if the price comes back down to $1.50. It is fine. I'm going to have my position open still. And then when it hits $2, I'll be locking some profits. But you can get profits. If you've entered at $1.50, $1.60, you can get some profits because it might get volatile, okay? We might get back in here, and this symmetrical triangle. So yeah. You can get profits. We're almost at $2. So, hey man, I love your analysis. Just recently found your channel. Thank you for sharing the knowledge. Thank you very much, Dustin. Thank you very much. I just want to do basic technical analysis. You know, support, resistance, basic patterns. Keep it easy and simple. You're not going to see me with Ichimoku clouds, Bollinger Bands. You know, a ton of EMAs crossing. You know, that's not my style of trading. I like to keep it simple. A bit of volume profile, simple patterns, targets, support, resistance. Not much more than that. Guys, keep it simple. The more simple your trading is, the more profits you're going to lock. Because you might have the Ichimoku cloud and then it's saying, oh, this is telling me I need to sell. And then you might have the Bollinger Bands that say you need to buy. And then, yeah. No, guys. Is it possible to 100x portfolio in 2 years? Well, all depending if you're good on, you know, looking at these cryptos, low cap cryptos that can 100x, but it's very, very hard at this point, guys. I do think that we are just over halfway of the bull market, so we are closer to the peak, in my opinion. We need to see the last leg up, and the last leg up might, you know, for Bitcoin, for example, we are at about $50,000 for Bitcoin. Let me just double check, $51,000. So we might, you know, the next leg up for Bitcoin might be to $90,000 or it might be to $150,000. We will be seeing days close to the peak where we might move $20,000 in a day, guys. We already have moved $8,000 in a day. Let me just zoom out here on the chart. And I think this is when Elon Musk bought Bitcoin at about $38,000. Yeah, yeah, here, this is when Elon Musk tweeted. I'm not sure if it was a tweet or a news that came out or somewhere, that he bought Bitcoin at $38,000. This is where we had this huge green candle. Okay, this is the 4-hourly chart. All right, and so this is one day over here. Let me just go to the daily chart so you can see how much we moved. I think it was about $8,000. We can also drop a huge amount, as you can see. That was COVID crash right over here. But yeah, let me just zoom in here so I can show you. This right over here is when Elon Musk supposedly invested Tesla. Elon Musk invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin right over here at $38,000. And it ended at, this candle ended at 46,600 approximately. Okay, so from $38,000 all the way to 46, that's an $8,000 move, 1 day candle. And this is huge, okay? When the price is at $38,000, going up to $46,000 in 1 day is absolutely crazy. So I do think we will see moves once we break $60,000, $64,000, well, the all-time high, about 64. We will see moves at some point in the next coming months where we move $20,000 in a day. We might be at $70,000 or $80,000, and from $80,000 we might go to $100,000 in a day, guys, in 24 hours. This will happen. This will happen. It's just a matter of time, and people are not going to believe it. Like, wow, Bitcoin's moved $20,000 in 1 day, in less than 24 hours. This will happen, guys. It will. What's the long support level of BTC in the coming weeks? I've talked about this in the channel. My major support level for Bitcoin is $46,000, because with the VPVR we can see that the volume here disappears suddenly. Okay, this is the daily chart. Let me go. Well, you can actually see it with the daily chart. All right, this yellow box that I've got here is the $46,000. And as I get it close to the VPVR, we can see suddenly the volume disappearing, okay? Or here on the VPR. Can you see this? It's like a cliff. This is like a mountain. So it's a mountain of money. So a lot of accumulation, a lot of people buying at this, got Bitcoin at these levels. No better trading volume here in between the $46,000 and the $41,000, where the next mountain of money continues. So this could be a huge drop. If 46,000 doesn't hold, we are going to see a very, very big drop, okay, to the $42,000 approximately, where this volume starts, okay, on the VPVR. So there's a hole here of no trading volume, you know. The market hasn't experienced people buying or selling at these levels. So what happens if we pierce that level? What happens if we pierce the 46,000? Well, there's no volume traded at this area. Well, the price needs to go back at what it was traded at, which was the $42,000. So that's why we see these huge drops when we don't have any volume profile, for example. This is a great indicator. I've seen it so many times. That when there's no volume profile, suddenly the price just drops. In this case, it would be about $4,000, which is not too bad. But yeah, we could drop $4,000 in hours, guys, in this case. So $46,000. If we fail, guys, you will see what I'm talking about. We'll see a massive drop. What the long I've gone to Usman, I've gone through you already. Mary, what makes you think about $100,000 Bitcoin too? Based on what assumption? Many people talk about that. I don't get how they calculate. Well, it is just an estimation, okay? I like to see stock to flow model. He's got, the stock to flow is saying that is stock to flow X, $288,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. Well, this is in between 2021 and 2024. And he's got his stock to flow model, his normal stock to flow model, which he estimates is about $100,000 by the end of the year. I think this is because of the circulating supply and the actual mining of Bitcoin every single day, and the demand and the supply. I think he did a rough calculation that this is the price levels that we should be by the end of the year, $100,000. It all depends on on the demand, guys, that's coming. There is demand out there. We've seen it in the news. You know, Elon Musk also tweeting, but there is actual demand out there. You know, there's funds there that are actually buying Bitcoin. So banks also getting interest. You know, it's just a matter of time, guys. A matter of time. Maybe the timing is not right, but we are going to hundreds of thousands of dollars, no doubt. Right, where am I? Where am I in the comment section? Chase, watching from Cape Town, South Africa. Thank you for your TA. Thank you very much, Chase. Thank you for watching. Glad you like it. Horacio, aquí el 100 desde Mexico. Horacio Martinez. Tezos, please. Right, man, guys. I'm going to look at Tezos and maybe some other crypto because I'll be leaving in about 5 minutes. Matic, I already checked Matic. Matic is doing absolutely great. Hello, Minotauros. Hello, how are you doing? Will BTC hit $100,000 by this year? Your thought? Yes, I do think it will hit 100,000 before the end of the year. Yes. My opinion, my target for Bitcoin is in between $150,000 and $200,000. So yes, I do think we might hit it before the end of the year. What do you think about Solana? Yes, Solana is great. It's blockchain. It's doing very, very well, and it's looking very bullish. I took the trade. Great call, man. Which trade did you take? Jesus money. I think you might be talking about the Ethereum, right? Maybe you took this Ethereum trade, which has done really well. Chainlink, yeah. Well, I'm going to take a look at Tezos and Chainlink. And one more, let me choose one more. Ethereum 27K, as BitBoy Ben says. Well, $27,000. Maybe not in this bull run, but it might get there, guys. Yeah. Mioti. Maybe Ethereum $27,000 in next bull run. Not in this one, I do not think. But who knows, guys? Crypto is crazy. 120K Bitcoin MRare and 9K Ethereum. Very good price prediction. Yeah. Conservative as well. I am worried about Bitcoin not reaching $150,000. $120,000 is realistic, is conservative, and also 9,000 for Ethereum. Very good price predictions, Emre. XRP, please. Yeah, I'll do a video on XRP very soon, so you can guys see some XRP technical analysis. Is it possible to 100x portfolio in 2 years? I said very unlikely because we are almost already halfway through the bull market. Bitcoin seems to struggling at this level. Yes, it is, because we are hitting major resistance. The $51,000 major resistance here, as we can see. We need to see some volume coming in, guys, right over here, because if not, we might come back down and retest $48,000 range. What is good entry right now? Well, good question. Good question. If we break this level here, guys, we could, with a decent amount of volume though, we could possibly retest the $53,300 range. This is where I have my major resistance here, where it's been major support. Okay, if we break from here with some volume, it is a little bit risky. You know, we could do a trade all the way up here to 43,300. Sorry, 53,300. What is good entry right now, lady and gentlemen? Leave a like. Come on, Emre, thank you very much. Yes, 77 viewers, 63 likes, so good enough. Thank you very much, Emre, for supporting the channel. Canary Island following. BTC $240,000 by July, August. Why am I? Well, that is a very high price prediction, but who knows? Crypto is crazy. We could go to those levels. Ethereum $8,000 by August. Very, very possible. Very possible. Time to buy more BTC. Absolutely. I think we are doing a double bottom, guys, like I mentioned before in today's episode. Okay, $48,000 is the bottom. We are going to start pumping from here. Right. Whoa, where am I? Time to buy some more BTC, please. 68 people are watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Hey, Zach, thank you very much for your support, guys. Yes, make sure to smash up the like button. Thank you very much. Your academic background. Tell us a bit about yourself. Where is Robin? Your academic background. Well, I started doing some different online courses in 2017, buying many books of technical analysis. Okay, Wyckoff method. Okay, and this the huge big different technical analysis big books. Okay, and reading them through, I was suddenly passionate about trading and investing. So I went heavily in 2017 into the traditional stock markets, specifically the German stock market, DAX 30. I started trading that for a year, did quite well, and then started with cryptocurrency, which I got in heavily. I started to get loads of books, okay, obviously following some different YouTubers, doing technical analysis myself, and looking at different projects. So this is my background from my trading experience. All right, guys, I am going to be leaving very, very soon. What about VET? VET is my third holding. Nikia Maruya. Nikhil Mauya. VeChain is my third holding. Okay, I think I got about 20, not even, it doesn't reach 20% of my portfolio is VeChain. About 18% of my portfolio is VeChain. Andy, we love you. Junaid, thank you very much for coming around. I'm just going through the comment section and not doing anything. I'm just reading you guys. I'm not doing any TA or anything at the moment. I'm just going through quickly the comment section, guys. What are your opinions on Bitcoin Cash? I am actually bullish on Bitcoin Cash. Isaac, Bitcoin Cash is much faster than Bitcoin. People saying it's not as secure, the network is not as secure, but guys, Bitcoin Cash will go to $4,000. Maybe by the end of the year, maybe yes, maybe no, maybe by next year, but we will be going to I think the all-time high for Bitcoin Cash is under $4,000, but Bitcoin Cash will be going to $4,000 at some point. Mark my words. So not financial advice. Don't buy because I said that. Right, acquire diagram. Please check one time the acquire diagram. Not sure what you are talking about, LB. Isaac, what are your opinions on Bitcoin Cash? Sorry, yes, I read you already. Nice, thanks 4TA. Thank you very much, Emre, for coming around. One of my best supporters, Emre. Stavrox, UBX. What is UBX? UBX. Yeah, no. UBX network. Something I might have a look. Definitely. All right, guys, I am going to be off from here now, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Stellar Lumens. I did a video on Stellar. I'm very bullish on Stellar Lumens. I think we are going to reach all-time high very, very soon. We are doing a very bullish structure. Make sure to check out my video from Stellar Lumens. I did some technical analysis. And Donios Scottis. Make sure to check out my video. I do think Stellar Lumens will be reaching all-time high very, very soon. Hi bro, watching from Oman. Thank you, Lenin. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. Hey, Bitcoin Sensors, you have to check out what is going around in world. Go check INX Exchange. That's the future. INX Exchange. I will check it out. Thank you very much. Reha KO. What about Anchor? Anchor's also a very good project, guys. I'll be leaving soon. I'll be doing a live stream very soon, guys. So we'll be checking out some different altcoins and doing some TA. But I need to rush now, guys. Buy SHIB, financial freedom. Well, I'm not too sure about. I guess you're talking about Shiba Inu, guys. Shiba Inu could do a 10x, could do a 50x from its current price. It's already done, I think, over a 50x. But who knows, guys? You know, the power of social media, all these exchanges listing Shiba Inu. It is crazy. It is crazy. Shiba Inu can actually go to 0.01 cent, which would have to be almost, I don't know if it's a trillion market, 1 trillion market cap, 2 trillion, possible. Who knows? What do you think about a super cycle? Yes, super cycle is possible. I'm not sure if it's going to arrive to $1 million Bitcoin, but we could hit 400,000. If we hit $400,000 per Bitcoin, it would be a super cycle in my opinion. $400,000. It is possible. It is possible. A lot of changes in the world, a lot of money printing. If you haven't checked out my video from that, I'm talking about, the dollar index, the dollar value, we are at a critical support level. If we break the support level that I took, I think I did it about 2 or 3 days ago. About the dollar index. I've been doing some technical analysis and mixing the fundamentals and the technicals, and the dollar index is going to crumble, guys, in the next year, next 1-2 years. It is going to crumble, guys. So make sure to hedge yourself with something like Bitcoin. In my opinion, this is not financial advice, but just because of this and the demand there is going to be globally, it is going to there could be a super cycle. Bitcoin could go to $400,000, for example, in less than a year. Right, guys, Daniela, great work, man. What do you think about a super cycle? Yes, thank you. Bye, see you tomorrow. I will check it out. Thank you very much for the great TA. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Which crypto will be supported by Tesla in the future? Well, I have been there is a crypto project which is Energy Web Token, EWT. Okay, this is a token that you need to look at this project, guys. Energy Web Token. I think Tesla, SpaceX might have something to do with this cryptocurrency. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button. I will be doing a live stream soon. We'll be pulling out the charts. I'll be talking with you guys, and we will be looking at your favorite cryptocurrency. Remember the Bitcoin Sensor website, guys. We've got great things here. The latest articles, technical analysis, news. Make sure to check it out. And if you haven't got an account on Bybit or Fairmex, you are interested in trading, or PrimeXbt, make sure to check out the links. There's a great bonus. You'll be helping out the channel. And thank you very much for coming around, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.